So Open Innovation is a program where AstraZeneca shares company resources with external scientists for the purposes of advancing scientific research. We share company resources so that other scientists can advance their own research. That is research that benefits the entire scientific community, so in turn we benefit. An external scientist benefits because they're able to access resources that they wouldn't be able to otherwise. These are typically proprietary assets that AstraZeneca has.
For us, it's really about creating projects and bringing those interesting ideas that we wouldn't have thought of into the portfolio. And also, obviously, at the end of this, hopefully patients will win in this scenario. So really, it's a three-way win for patients, for academics, and for AstraZeneca.
So in terms of the academic groups that we partner with, we're happy to partner with anybody, anywhere in the world, whatever institution they're at, so long as they've got a really good idea and the science is right.
We offer a whole variety of assets within our program. You could get access to clinic-ready compounds. These are compounds that could go directly into a phase 2 clinical study. You could access preclinical tool compounds. These are compounds that are highly optimized for use in biological disease models. You could access unpublished preclinical data through our data library, as well as access to over 2 million compounds in our high-throughput screening collection.
So if you're an academic wishing to access the AstraZeneca Open Innovation compound sets, the first thing to do is to visit the AstraZeneca Open Innovation website. There you'll find information on all the compound sets that we share, and you'll find information on the individual compounds too. You'll also find information on the data sets that we share. You should look through these, decide how they fit with your project. And then if you want to put in a proposal, there's also details there on the website of how to put in a proposal for your research.
We're looking for someone with a great idea. We are looking for partners that could utilize the tools that we have available to pursue their innovative research.
We want partners that are going to push the boundaries of science and want to collaborate in new ways.
The future of innovation is constantly under debate in AstraZeneca. We're looking to see what else we could offer, what capabilities we could offer, and we're actually asking the outside world as well to say what do they want from AstraZeneca. And things that people have suggested are things like cell therapy, compounds for cell therapy, capabilities around drug delivery mechanisms, etc.
One of the areas we're really interested in is entrepreneurship, and as a large pharma company, how do we engage with startups and help promote the entrepreneurship culture as well as help startups further the work that they're doing.
And so we're starting to offer mentoring to startups in the Cambridge ecosystem and the Swedish ecosystem, and we're realizing that actually this offering can be global, and so people from around the world are saying, hey, can you help mentor my startup, for example, from a university or from an academic.
In terms of moving AstraZeneca's Open Innovation project forward, we now want to move away from working entirely with small molecules and to bring in some other areas of our work. For example, CRISPR biology and secreted protein libraries, which we're just making. And the idea being here that the academic groups can screen these libraries, find new targets to accelerate research into medical science.
So the future looks bright for Open Innovation. 15 years ago, no one thought we could ever do this. And we're doing it and it's working great, and the industry's all doing it.
So one of the tips that I would give is really make sure that the idea or the proposal that you have is really clear with a very defined endpoint, and really put that on a one-pager in our various submission processes.
The second thing to do is to make contact with us directly. It's always good to talk about the proposal before you actually put one in.
And then I guess the third real tip would be, if there's an offering that we're not offering, submit something to the suggestion box and we will definitely reply to you and see if we can make that offering available or how we could work in a different way with you.
So definitely come talk to us. We want to start a conversation early. You can check out the website and get a lot of information about what we have available, but the earlier we start a conversation, the better.